Hey my beautiful queens, I decided to scratch the unboxing because this box came, to be honest, it was a little bit of a disappointment because I was hoping to get a little bit more, but I didn't get any more than what I got. So I decided to not do the unboxing and to just do a regular video showing you guys what actually came in the box. It's a makartt Your Nail Lab unboxing. Well, it was supposed to be that, but I changed my mind. But anyway, the first item I have is a makartt Pro Raw Glitter. It is in the color Pink Lady. I will be using this for my next set as well. The second thing I have is a gel polish. This is in the color Orgasm. So it is a glitter and pink, hot pink by the way. Another thing I have is a nail liner. This is in the color Buttercup, which is super pretty. I will use that to make a French set one day. Another color I have is in the color Foxy. It's another gel polish. This is a color change, by the way. And I want to show that last. Another thing I have is this polygel. This is in the color Rose. I will do a swatch of this color when I get the chance. So I will do another upload of me doing swatches. If y'all are interested, let me know. And the last thing I have is another polygel. It is in the color Azalea. These colors are really pretty. I will try to incorporate as much of these colors as I can in my next nail set. I have one more thing I want to show you guys before I get off of here. I made these nails to basically show what the colors look like. The first one got that raw glitter and that orgasm on it, which is very pretty. That line you see there going down, that is an hot pink gel liner that I have. It didn't come in this box, that's why I didn't show it. But the one in the middle got that buttercup on it. And the glitter is the what is that called? That is the orgasm, and the last one is the Foxy. It's a red, deep red color, and the color changes to white. But yeah, y'all, this was pretty much of a disappointment for me. I feel like they could have gave me a little bit more. There's one thing in particular I've been waiting to get from them that I have not gotten yet, and it's driving me crazy. That is their rhinestone glue. I don't understand why they're being so stingy with it, but they need to go ahead and add that, and also add a top coat and a base coat to a box. Yeah, I pay for a monthly subscription, and those are some of the main things that I should be getting. I don't understand why they haven't gave me that yet. It's like they're being stingy with it, like I just said. But I appreciate everything that I got, and I will do another unboxing. I don't know when. I'm trying to wait and see if I'm going to get something that's worth doing the unboxing with. If not, then you guys won't be seeing me do any more unboxing of makartt Your Nail Lab for a while. I'm still going to keep my subscription, but I won't be uploading any unboxings until they do better. All right, y'all, that's all what I have for today. I hope y'all enjoyed the content. Make sure you like, comment, or subscribe, whichever one you choose to do. I am open to new ideas, so if there's anything that you guys want to see me do as far as nail designs, let me know. I can make something shake. But anyway, y'all, make sure you show me some love and support. I appreciate all my subscribers, all my supporters. I really appreciate it. Thanks, guys, and y'all have a good one. Peace.